What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today we're going to go over a day trading recap. Nice little green day here. Traded Tesla off the back of that S&P news. Check it out. What's going on, guys? Let's go ahead and jump into this recap. Now, I tweeted out my watch list last night and this morning, and my watch list was Tesla. That was it. I was not interested in anything else. Why? Simple. Because the number of things. I was actually eyeing Tesla yesterday for a potential swing trade, and I didn't take it because I was like, yeah, I'm going to wait. But I mean, who would have known that yesterday and after hours they were going to post out that they got included in the S&P 500? So here is the daily chart. Here is the pattern I was eyeing. As you can see, big old wedge there. And I was thinking, we closed off yesterday here. I was thinking maybe we'd get another 1 or 2 days closer to down here in this 400. And then we might get a shot at testing this 430, 440 area. I was like, okay, that'll be a good swing trade. I can get some calls there, far out exploration and have a good shot here at a nice profitable trade. But I didn't take that yesterday because I thought, to me, it wasn't ready yet. And obviously, that would have been great had I taken it because, guys, when I saw the news yesterday, I went and looked at the options chain and I saw 440, 450 options that might have been like a couple bucks. Those things went to like $20-something each this morning. I was like, what is this? It would have been monster. Even 2 or 3 of those. Oh, good Lord. Anyways, no point in crying over spilled milk because it doesn't care. But you know what does care? It's that like button down there. Make sure you click that little sucker and turn it blue. It really helps out the channel tremendously with the algorithm. And if you guys enjoy the content I put out, that's one way you can really help me out. So make sure you smash the like button for me and subscribe to the channel. If you're new around here and haven't subscribed yet, hit the notification bell so you're alerted. Remember, guys, also comment in the comment section below. Let me know how you're doing. Remember, when you smash the like button, comment, subscribe, it really helps out with the algorithm, helps push up the channel. So if you're enjoying the content, let me know down there. Even if it's just to say hi, just leave me a comment and I will reply. Ask me a question, I'll reply as well. Remember, I think it's Monday, November 23rd at 8 p.m. I will be going live on YouTube for a Q&A session, a couple lessons, and a big announcement that you're not going to want to miss. So make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're alerted when we're live on November 23rd, 8 p.m. So let's go ahead and jump into this recap here. My plan was very simple. You guys know, if you've been a subscriber of mine for some time, that I have traded the absolute nonsense out of Tesla this year, and especially during the summer. I mean, for a period of time there, I was just trading Tesla every single day and pulling out some big P&Ls, monster days. The majority of the money, like when you look at the ticker symbols, Tesla's number 1 for me this year. I've made a lot of profit on Tesla this year, so I'm super happy with it. So I really have the heartbeat of that stock. I know, when I see and I do my technical analysis, we're intimate friends here. You know what I'm saying? Like Tesla's like my sister at this point, or my brother, right? I don't know it's a car. Generally, we cars. Guys who are into cars are always like, oh yeah, she's bad to the bone type stuff. So we'll go ahead and say Tesla, she's like my sister here. And this thing, when I saw that we were gapping up this morning, well, when we pushed up yesterday in after hours, I tweeted out the levels. I said, I put out on Twitter that 440 to 460 is the levels I'm watching. Pull back and holds of that level, I'm looking to get long. And this morning I came in, and the very first thing I was looking for was for it to pull back. Maybe we would get a quick pop, then a pull back into that 440 area. And my plan was, at that point, I was going to buy some calls in my long-term swing account. And they were just about 2 weeks out. I was going to buy some calls there. And then I was going to switch over to my day trading account to day trade it. That was my plan this morning. However, this morning Tesla, let me grab the chart for you. It just opened up and basically dropped. I was disappointed there. So I said, okay, well, let's, it didn't really give me the push, but let's see if we drop down there to that 440 area. before we bounced. And we bounced off of 440, but well after we made this new high. So at this point, I'm in my long-term swing account, okay? And long-term swing account is, is an account I have that I'll just long-term some stuff, like just maybe 5, 10 years max. It's not my retirement account where I'm holding stuff for 20 years, etc. So here is that account. And we dropped here and we started to find support. I was like, okay, well, I guess I'm gonna have to day trade this. I didn't have enough time to switch over to my day trading account. So I just used this account to day trade it and, made decent profit. $308, $282, and then one loss of 166. I actually, added to my position, took profits, left some on, added back to the position, looking for the squeeze up, and I have all that recorded. We're going to go over it right here. It was an aggressive trade because I got in on the VWAP break right here with the increase in volume. So it was an aggressive trade. It was not a conservative trade. And I did have 4 contracts at the start there. I was really looking to get a push here. I thought we would have I thought we would get this red to green move, break over this 460 right here, and then go, 464, 465, take some profits, more profits, then boom, 470 would have been where I was looking to potentially take the rest of my profit off the table, which would have been a very, very nice day. But we didn't do that. We made a new high by a couple bucks. The high previously was 460 and change. We went up to 462. And just failed. It was so disappointing. But I do have that live trade here, so I'm going to show that to you as I grab that. Do me a quick favor. Look in the description section below. You're going to find links to Webull. You download the app, fund the account with $100, and right now you get 3 free stocks. That's a no-brainer. And also you have Trade Ideas, which are the scanners I use every single day to scan the markets. That's my penny stocks gainer and loser. Here is my large cap stock scanner right here. Boom. You can see Tesla's right there. And you'll have a 15% off coupon code with my link as well in the description section and in the comment section. So here is my trade. Now, as you can see, I'm in just 2 contracts. I'm looking to add more if we begin to truly hold that area. Try to disregard this big P&L here. It's just from my long-term swings. So right here, we're looking to hold that VWAP level right there. And I'm looking for it to make that red to green move, right? We've gone red on the day. Okay, we're obviously green from yesterday, but we're red on the day. So I'm looking for it to pop over the open and squeeze because I would imagine, whoever started to get short here is starting to get a little uncomfortable knowing Tesla's history, but Tesla didn't want to trade like Tesla used to. A number of reasons. The float is bigger. There's less shorts in it. It's still highly shorted, but there's less shorts in it and the float is bigger. So it's not going to be as volatile. Like I wasn't expecting a $50 move today, but I was expecting a solid $10, maybe $20 move. So here we go. I have my 4 contracts, volume increasing. We're going up there, test the highs. I get an order out ready to sell. 1 contract at $24.90, so that's a good take profit there. I made off of that one. I made over $300 alone. So right there, I get that fill on the ask, and now see right there, 308. I made on that one, not bad. So now I'm like, okay, this is great, right? Where volume is increasing, we've broken through the high of the day. 470 is very possible here if we can break through 465. That was my next resistance level. That was my next take profit zone. So I put out, when we don't really just start going, I try to put out an order to sell one more at $24.90. That would have been real nice, but no dice on that. I didn't get that fill. So I do cancel it. And right here, I take off 2 more contracts because it started to look like we were going to fail up at the highs. I was like, come on, really? That's what you're going to do to me today, Tesla? So I take off 2 more contracts right there. And those book me another couple $100 in change right there. So now I have, see right there, 282. And 308, so I'm up well over $500 on the day at that point. So now I have 1 contract left from 22.45, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna let this play out a little bit as long as VWAP, holds, and see what happens. Right here, I'm like, oh, interesting, very interesting. Volume is increasing. We are not shying away completely from this high. Maybe we're gonna hold this 460 area, okay, which was the previous top right here, and that level on the daily, and now we're really going to go, right? Now we're going to go to 465. So I add back to my position, okay? Now, adding back is something that you got to be very careful with and always, know your risk, all right, and stay within your risk tolerance. So I add back to that position right here, right now. You'll see the add kick in. Sadly, I stop out immediately. See, there's my ad. I'm in at 23.80. Now my new average, and I'm looking for that breakup on over the high. But we don't get it. We don't get it. Watch. We fail right there, and I stop out of that position, and I lose 166 bucks. Super small risk. And now, as you can see, we've made a new low of day. Very, very disappointing action on Tesla. So I wound up making a little bit over 400 bucks on the day. Not bad at all on those trades. So I'm really happy with that. And that'll be it for me today. Nothing else that I like. I'm so disappointed, guys, on Palantir here. This thing's just been an animal. I thought that I was going to get a shot at getting this down here at 12 bucks to put it in my long-term swing account. I didn't. I don't know if I was able to add any of this in my retirement account. I don't think I did, but I could be wrong. I know I have AMD and I added recently, and D-Dog that I added recently, but I don't think I have Palantir on there. But I will be eyeing this to add it for the long term because, you know, this has got a good shot at being a big time stock in the future here, you know, years down the line. So definitely something I'm watching here. I would love to get a pullback at least down here to 14 again, but I don't know if that's going to happen. That's all for me today, guys. Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my next video, and smash the like button. I'll catch you on the next one.